Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Dawood. I am from Balochistan. When I clear my FSC, there's a lot of question, lot of confusions arising in my mind about interest exams. Which book is best for interest exams? Which academy is best for interest exams? There's a lot of question arising in my mind. I see about TopGrade and I join it. My confusions, my problems clear through this app, because video lectures are available on this app, revision notes are available, and MCQs are available. 3000 plus MCQs are available. Video lectures of Sir Muazzammanzoor, his study method one of the best. I love it. And when your app shows some problems, the guidance teacher Sir Abdul Wahi are also available on 24 hours available on WhatsApp, and you can contact him and share your problems. They guide you. And I recommended that those students who could not pay the fees of hostels, who could not pay the fees of academy, just sit your home and join the TopGrade, and you can score best in your exams. And those students who goes outside their homes and pay the fees of hostels, pay the fees of academy, I also recommended that just sit your home and join the TopGrade app. Your confusion will be clear, your everything will be clear about interest exams, and you can score best score in your exams. In future, TopGrade in future become more successful in future, and I recommended that those students who prepare themselves in 2023, so just come and join TopGrade and learn best and learn properly and learn 24 hours. The TopGrade is available for you. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.